Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Lords Mobile. If you are playing Lords Mobile and want to redeem a code for free rewards, then you are in the right place. First of all, open up Lords Mobile game on your device. You can open it up on your Android or iOS device. Just make sure that you are logged into your account as well. Once you're inside the main game section, go to the bottom right corner and look for the gear button and tap on it. Now, from the Others tab, scroll all the way down and look for the redemption code button and tap on it. This will now take you to this text box where you can enter your redemption code. Type in or paste in the code exactly as given and then click on the claim button. You should see a message saying the code is valid and what reward you have received, such as gems, speed ups, and items. If the code is expired or invalid, you'll get an error message. You can then navigate to your mail or inbox where the reward might be delivered. Make sure to check your in-game mailbox. And that's how you easily redeem your code on Lords Mobile. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.